Jelly Babes, welcome back to my channel. So I have got this flame mani for you today that is so simple to create. So I got sent all of these flame stickers from Beautybigbang for review. So there's 16 colours in total and I'll be showing you them all today. So this is kind of what it looks like. It's quite difficult to show you all of the different flames, but you've got different sizes and obviously different flame shapes. And so I could always make sure I knew what code number I was using. I just came in and wrote the code on the back of the sheet so I could refer to that for future use. So I'm going to be doing this over a black base. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply 2 coats now of this Kiki London polish and cure each layer in the lamp. Then you want to add a layer of no white top coat and again cure that in your lamp. And then I'm going to be coming in with some more of Beautybigbang's products. So it's these gorgeous sort of like chameleon hollow flakes. I don't know why I haven't used these more in my videos because they are stunning. So I didn't want to completely fill the nail, and what I'm actually trying to create here is kind of like the embers that come off a flame. That's what I was trying to create with this base. And you want to avoid big chunky parts that I've got there. You want it on as little as possible. And I'm using a silicone tool to do this as well. And you can see it's got a nice like little edge. So that helped me to create this look. So then I'm just showing you the other colour. And again, you know, just showing you again how I'm adding these flakes to the nail. And I'm coming in now with the stickers. So you want to use like your cuticle pusher tool just to remove it from the sheet of its backing, and then some tweezers are definitely recommended to be placing these onto your nails. So I've just put a small flame on there, then I'm coming in with a different colour. Obviously you want to know how the colour looks over the black beforehand, which I'll be showing you that anyway at the end of this video, so you can refer to this in future use if you want to recreate this mani or you know something similar. Then I went back to that original sticker, and then I put a bigger sticker on the top here over the top of them. So because these are iridescent, it just like color shifts according to the base, which is super cool. Then I came in and I wanted to have a matte finish. I just thought it was easier to show off all of the colours. So you want to apply a layer of that and cure that in your lamp. And this is the end look, and I was so happy with it. So hopefully you can see what I mean by putting that matte on. You definitely see those 2 different colours. One's more goldy and the other is more orange. So sorry about this one. I don't even know why it completely messed up, but I'm just showing you here how the other colours look. With insight looking back, how it looks on the card is how it looks over the white. So I could have just put these over the black just so you could probably see a little bit better what it would look like over the black. But you definitely get some different colour shifts. So this one is more blue and green over black, but then it's like orangey and pink over white. So that one's super cool. And again, this one's like pinky purpley on white, but then goldy bronzy colours over onto the black. That one is a bit more of a subtle change. It probably goes from a darker to a lighter sort of pinky orange. This one again is probably the perfect flame colour when it captures it in certain lights. So this one was gorgeous as well. It was like very colour shifting, and again not much of a difference going from the black and the white. So this one is beautiful over the white, and you know, you've got that like light yellowy orangey tint. And this one is super bright over the white, the bright pink, but then again more bronzy goldy over the black. So majority of these are iridescent. Some sort of are more iridescent than others, but the last few are more of a solid colour, which you'll see in a moment. So you'll have to let me know the colours that you liked the most in the comments box below. But I love the nice sort of range of colours that this collection provides. So the next 3 that I show you are the more solid colours. I'm so sorry for the glare. I just couldn't get my lighting right today. So you can see that looks gold over black or the white. And then I think this is probably my most favourite one, which is the hollow flame. Super, super gorgeous. So please let me know what you think about this money, and use the links provided in the description box below if you decide to purchase anything from Beautybigbang. So thank you so much for watching. Please press that free subscribe button and take care, jelly babes, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.